Get a video, his buddy's gonna cross with him.
I am. Taking another video of the bear. Well, they just both decided to cross the road, so yet again we get a front row encounter, up close encounter with black bears. And here's this one on the right, and then his buddy over on the left here is just about to cross the road as well.
No cars coming? That's good. Why did the bear cross the road? I don't know, he did not say.